What's going on, YouTube? So I think I'm at my wit's end with this truck. We're gonna start off here with the coolant. If y'all can even see how insanely low that is, well below the line. I haven't checked it in a while, that's my bad. This is all fresh coolant linking from just last night. Mixed with oil. I got a turbo oil line and turbo coolant line. Oh, you just saw a drop right there. Oh, that was perfect timing. Absolute perfect timing. If you slow the video down a few seconds ago, you can see another drop hit. It's kind of a mix of water and oil is what it seems like. And I honestly do not remember the last time I got a coolant flush. I was gonna fill it up with this stuff right here, but it says do not dilute. But then if you don't dilute it, as you can see right there, if you don't dilute it, then it says it's not for topping off and do not add water. But it says that my 3.5 EcoBoost, this is what it takes if you were to do a coolant top off. Don't really have the time to do an entire flush, although I probably should. Don't want to take it to a dealership to do a $250 flush, although I probably should. And I think at this point, that's a pretty nasty leak. We saw how low that was. I'm now starting to get a little bit of deposit on my oil separator. And this is the third battery. Mind you, that was just cleaned, oh, I don't know, a month ago? Long story short, at 255,000 miles, I do believe it's the end of the line for this old sucker. But let me know what y'all think.